I had to come outside so that I could see all of the snow that has drifted on my porch. This is my front yard. This is something that cannot be shoveled. This is crazy. No one, my neighbor, he's cleaned off his. I don't know how he did it. Then my other neighbor, I have the most snow on my porch. Let's see if I can step to the side. I'm about to use my blower. And you can't really see how high it is. But the snow it's in the street. And I'll compare it over here. Let's see, to my neighbors. It's up to my fence. My fence is a 5-foot fence. And it's over, pretty much, it's half of it. And you can see on the side how it looks versus this. Absolute madness. It's God's work, though. I ain't mad. I'm just gonna blow all of this off. Sweep it, stand and blow. Absolutely. Ta-ta.